Hi, welcome back. Svenska Utifrån. This is chapter 5 about the alphabet. As you see, the alphabet here is very similar to the English alphabet. The first 26 letters are exactly the same as they're written. The pronunciation is slightly different. There are 3 additional letters, O, A, and Ö, and for a long time I said these as the A with the circle on top, the A with the 2 dots on top, and the O with the 2 dots on top. And I would encourage you just directly to start saying the letter as it is, O, and Ö, and not to describe the letters as with the 2 dots on top. You wouldn't say a T is the letter with a vertical and horizontal line, or you wouldn't say an I is the vertical line with a dot on top. You'd say it's an I. You'd say it's a T. Yeah, a P is a circle with a line down from the left hand side. You just say a P. So learn to say the letters directly as they are. Here it also lists the consonants, and the consonants are exactly the same as we have in English, and the vowels are exactly the same as we have in English, plus these 3 additional letters. It mentions about these being front and back vowels, and that means that you pronounce them from the front of your mouth and not the back. For example, an A, like cat, you say it from the front of your mouth. If we said in English, if we said a bolt, okay, that O comes from the back of your mouth, and that's what it's talking about. One is coming from the front, and one is coming from back here, deeper in your mouth. And so pay attention to that as you're listening and as you're practicing speaking, to say it in that way. I said that these 26 letters were exactly as we have in English, and that's true, but the pronunciation is different, and I'm not going to pronounce these for you because you should not learn pronunciation from me, but I will try and find 2 or 3 videos to stick in here or reference so that you can learn from a native speaker how these are letters are pronounced. And this is probably, I would pay attention to this. This is probably one of the most important things. If somebody's listening to you as a native speaker, if they're listening to you, if you pronounce the letters correctly, they'll forgive lots of grammar mistakes. But if they hear like strange words because you're pronouncing the letters in an incorrect way, it's very difficult for them to understand what it is that you're saying. So really try and put some effort into getting this alphabet correct and getting these sounds right. And when you get those right, many things will come much easier for you. Okay, I'll stop for now, and then I will try and find some additional videos for you. Hello, I'm back. I've done some research, and all you need to do is go to YouTube, put in the words Swedish alphabet pronunciation, and you'll find a bunch of good examples. There's no need for me to list them here because you can just find them there. There's some professional ones and some less professional, but it doesn't matter. It's people pronouncing the alphabet, and that's what you need. You'll run into all kinds of people with all different pronunciations, but so it doesn't matter exactly who you learn from at this point, just to get as close as you can to the pronunciations. But as I said before, spend some time on this. This is really worthwhile. Go through some of these YouTube videos as they're pronouncing the letters. Listen carefully, pronounce them yourself afterwards. You can make recordings of yourself and compare to the recording that's on that comes with YouTube. But practice and practice this. This is really, really important. Okay, that's all for the alphabet. Good luck. See you next time.